The Honeywell Electronic Engine Interface, or EEI, is software that interfaces with the engine control units, or ECUs. The EEI software is used to download engine condition and fault recording data from the ECUs directly to a PC. We'll show you how to download and install EEI to your computer. You'll need a laptop computer running Windows XP and an internet connection. We'll do it in 3 steps. Download and install EEI, install the EdgePort device drivers, and finally, set up the COM ports. To download the EEI installation files, log on to myaerospace.com and go to Maintenance and Pilot Service Center Support and Software Downloads. Select HTF7000 software and download the latest EEI installation files. If you don't see the file download window, make sure your pop-up blocker is disabled. Save the installation files to your desktop. After downloading the installation files, download the latest update file and save it to your desktop. After the files are downloaded, install EEI. The EEI software defaults to the C drive. We recommend not changing the destination folder. Go through the prompts and install the software. After the installation is complete, start the EEI program. Under the File menu, select EEI Update. Find the update file you downloaded and select it. After the EEI install is complete, install the EdgePort device drivers. The EdgePort device is used to connect your laptop to the ECUs. It is designed to replace the older PCM-CIA cards. Before using it, you'll need to install the drivers and configure it to work with EEI. The EEI interface kit contains the EdgePort installation CD you'll need to install the drivers. Run the setup file on the CD. Once the EdgePort device is connected, use the Hardware Wizard to install the drivers directly from the CD. After you've installed the EdgePort device drivers, configure the COM ports. Start the EdgePort configuration utility program. Go to the configuration window and make a note of which COM ports are being used by the EdgePort device. Under the Advanced tab, change the COM port assignment to Based on Physical USB Port and Single Device Only. This allows for any EdgePort device to work with the 4 COM ports associated with the device. Save the configuration to the default location. After saving the file, disconnect the USB cable from the laptop for 15 seconds. When you reconnect the cable, 4 new COM ports will be associated with the EdgePort device. However, the configuration you saved will be associated with these new COM ports. You'll need to verify what the new COM ports are. To do this, go back to the EdgePort configuration utility and take a look at the configuration window. Make a note of each COM port. Go to the port flag configuration window and set each COM port to RS-422 no terminating resistor. Update and resave the configuration. Open the EEI program and go to the COM port communications window. Select the first COM port you noted. The EEI setup and configuration is now complete. You're now ready to connect to the aircraft and perform a download. For more information on installing EEI, refer to Service Information Letter D2012-07-000029 and Technical Publication SE-876-01-1148. For technical questions, contact the Honeywell Technical Operations Center.